Welcome to episode 80 of CRO Insights, the only series on YouTube that takes you behind the scenes of the largest landing page design agency on this planet, my agency ConversionWise. Stick around for point number 6 in this one because it's going to give you a real insight into how we boost customers' average order values. I'm Kenyon, I'm co-founder of ConversionWise, and let's jump straight into the before and after transformations. So here you can visually see what the landing page was before and how it looked, and I'm going to show you how we optimize that to turn more clicks into customers. Speaking of which, if you are enjoying these videos, make sure you hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, but let's get into that all-important transformation. So it starts with a few optimizations way above the fold, starting with the addition of a notice bar to make sure that our discount pops and people see it first and foremost. We've then added our famous trust policy bar, which is a bar that sits just below the navigation and helps us seem more trusted to cold consumers by conveying things that make us credible as a company. Things like satisfaction guarantee, free shipping, how many customers we've served, and so on and so forth. We then optimized the image section. We now have this full, beautiful image of the logs to showcase the quality, and we've used an accredited logo within the image itself to again further establish the authority and credibility of this brand. Number 5, very simply, we've just made that social proof a bit bigger. We've used a Trustpilot widget and we've managed to now actually put a numbers to that. So how many reviews, how many happy customers, and it goes much further than what they had before. And point number 6, the biggest transformation on this page. Before, these guys weren't making the most out of bundling. They weren't increasing their average order value. So we've done this by having nice 3 select boxes across the span of the page. We've got the most popular, we've got the best value, we've used accents around each box to really draw attention to that value. It's far better layout. We've still managed to get a call to action above the fold, and we've dramatically increased this client's average order value doing so. If you want help increasing your AOV or your conversion rate on your store, get in touch with us at ConversionWise.com. Smash the thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment below if there's anything you would change, and make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll catch you in the very next video.